Hello, my amazing friends. Today we are going to read aloud a Peppa Pig book called Peppa's Scooter Fun. Do you have a scooter? Do you ride it often? Or what else is your favorite way to travel? Do you have a bicycle? Do you have roller skates? A skateboard? Let's check out now in our book what other ways Peppa's friends love to travel with, as Peppa Pig loves her scooter and George. If you're new to A Little Lenny's Diaries family, welcome. I love reading books and I would love to read them together and explore the magic world of books. So join me and subscribe to not miss the next fun read aloud adventure. Let's get into our story now and see what happens. Peppa's Scooter Fun. Peppa is getting ready to go to Playgroup. Today, Madame Gazelle has asked everyone to travel to class in their favorite way. Scoot, scoot. This is George and this is Peppa. Can George and I scooter to Playgroup? Peppa asks excitedly. Please. Ho, ho, ho. Of course, Peppa, says Daddy Pig. Mommy and Daddy Pig have decided to use their scooters too. Mommy Pig and Daddy Pig. Whee! This is really good fun, says Daddy Pig. Remember to look out for things around you like these ducks, says Mommy Pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks. Zoom! And everyone is having fun. Everyone will love our scooters, George, says Peppa. Even Mommy and Daddy think they're amazing. Everyone is wearing the protective helmet. Can you see? Very colorful. This is yellow. This is red. George is green dinosaur. And Peppa's is colorful flowers pink. Let's see what happens next. At Playgroup, everyone shows Madame Gazelle their favorite way to travel. I love my roller skates, says Molly Mole, zipping around. My chair is really speedy, says Mandy Mouse. My bicycle has a bell, says Danny Dog. Ding, 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 ding. Look, says Rebecca Rabbit. I have a new skateboard. There it is. Suddenly, there is a loud noise. Nina, Nina, Nina. It's Peggy and Pandora Panda. Their daddy has driven them to Playgroup in his police car. Nina, Nina. What a wonderful siren, cries Madame Gazelle. It's very loud, says Pandora. The car has a light too, says Peggy. There's the light. Would you like to stay for a lesson? Madame Gazelle asks Police Officer Panda. We are learning about the different ways we all like to travel. Police Officer Panda sets up some traffic cones. They're the traffic cones. Let's see how safely you all get around. The children all love showing off how they can move safely between the cones. It's lots of fun. Remember to always pay attention, says Police Officer Panda. Don't go too fast. And if you are scootering, biking or skating, then always wear your helmet. There they are. 4 helmets. 1, 2, 3, 4. My helmet has flames on it, says Annie proudly. They're the flames. It's the best. Mine is best, says Zoe Zebra. There's hers. It has spots like a ladybird. Indeed. Dinosaur. Grr, grr, says George, pointing to his helmet, the dinosaur helmet. Oh dear. Nobody can agree on whose helmet is the best. Children, children, says Madame Gazelle. You all have wonderful helmets and you all have wonderful ways of getting around. But whose is best? Asks Zoe. Madame Gazelle tells the children that the best helmet and way of traveling is the one they each like most. Peppa raises her hand. I like my scooter best, she says. I'm really good at scootering. Watch. Peppa scoots and whooshes. Whoosh, whoosh, and zooms and zoom. She has lots of fun. She loves her scooter. Police Officer Panda thinks Peppa's scooter looks like fun. He gives it a go. My police car might have a siren, he says. But Peppa's scooter is best for me. Whee! There he is, having lots of fun. The children cheer and join in. Peppa loves scooters. Everyone loves scooters. The end. What a lovely book, showing all Peppa's friends have lots of fun finding their own fun way of traveling. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to read to you again. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye.